In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube notifications on Discord. This method uses Discord's built-in app directory, and it's one of the quickest ways to set everything up because you don't need any outside websites or extra dashboards. Everything happens right inside Discord, which makes the process much simpler and easier to manage. To get started, open Discord and go to the server where you want YouTube notifications to appear. Once you're inside that server, look to the top left area of the screen, click the server name, and then choose App Directory from the menu. This opens Discord's built-in library of apps that can be added directly to your server. In the App Directory, use the search bar to look for YouTube. When you see the official app, select it, then click Add to Server. Discord will guide you through a few authorization prompts, so just follow those on-screen instructions carefully to give the app access to the server. If you manage multiple servers, make sure you're adding it to the correct one before confirming. After the app has been added, go to the specific text channel where you want your YouTube alerts to be posted. This is important because the notification command should be entered in the channel where updates will appear. Now click into the chat bar and type Notify Add, then press Enter. Discord should prompt you for your YouTube channel link or handle. Paste that in when asked, then click the confirmation option to finish the setup. Once that's done, Discord will be connected to your YouTube channel for notifications in that channel. If alerts don't appear right away, give it a little time, since some integrations can take a short while to start syncing. It's also a good idea to double check that you use the right YouTube channel and place the command in the correct Discord channel.